Hi, everybody.
Happy 2022.
Yes. 2022.
Yes, the year of the goddess, the year of all these amazing things that we're stepping into. And we wanted to talk for a moment about fear. You know, as we're here in this beautiful tundra and this beautiful landscape of snow, and we're coming out of the winter solstice and every day is getting a little bit brighter. We want to say, well, how can we step into the spaces that we are fearful? Because on the other side of fear are our greatest gifts, right? In order to take a quantum leap in our lives, we have to have a little bit of fear. It's got to stretch us, it's got to excite us, and it's got to scare us a little bit. So what is that excites you, that scares you a little bit, that has you stretching into the next realm of your creative endeavors, into the next realm of your connection with source energy? What is possible for you in this beautiful year, 2022? We want to hear about it. Put it in the comments. Share it, because as we share it, it gives us more strength. It brings power to that next thing that we're creating in our lives.
Yeah, and we wanted to come on to make a collective commitment to step into that space of fear, that one thing. You know what it is. If you're listening right now, you know it's that little intuitive whisper that's like, oh, I want to try this. I've always wanted to do this. I want to step into this. It's that thing that, like, you've just been resisting a little bit. That's the thing that we're going to step into.
Yeah.
It's time. It's time for the light workers to go for it, to really step into the alignment with our highest authentic self.
Yeah. So what does that look like for you? Stepping into that next realm, stepping into that next incarnation. What's seeking to be birthed from within? What is that for you? Put it in the comments. I want to hear it. What's up, Shafiq? How are you? Not chasing clients out of fear anymore. Beautiful, Anthony. To be more consistently convicted. There you go. Whatever it is for you, voice it. Put it out there. Let people know what you're up to in life. We love helping people manifest their life's purpose in this life. And there's many different ways you could do that. Plant medicine, mindset training, quantum energy healing, all of these beautiful things. But that's what we're up to. What is it for you? How can you step into that? And really, on this journey through 2022, we want to share with you behind the scenes how we're actually doing that for ourselves as well as for our clients, because this is an ever evolving life that we're living into. We're constantly co-creating. We're constantly reinventing. We're constantly testing and putting things out there to say, how can we advance ourselves as well as others? We are the guinea pigs, so to say. We're testing ourselves every day in order to say, well, what's next? How can we do this even better? How can we do this and reach more people? How can our impact be as great as it possibly can be in this life? Because as we know, tomorrow is not promised. So let's get after this thing. Let your light shine. Step into a new level of self-love. Step into that with this beautiful connection to source energy, and let your light shine.
I love it. So, and there's so many beautiful things in the comments of what everybody's up to. So, you know, sometimes if it's that thing that kind of scares you a little bit, it can feel a little overwhelming, but the thing to do is take it one action step at a time, right? So I see better health by exercising more. What does that look like in real world reality, right? What does that look like? And schedule it in, make a commitment to do that one step that's moving you towards your dreams. Because it's just each step by step by step. That's how we manifest it, right? One action step at a time, and really listening to that intuitive voice, because that intuitive voice is going to lead you to the very next step, so it doesn't feel too overwhelming.
Yeah, so beautiful. This year, 2022, is about taking quantum leaps. Remember, it's got to excite you, it's got to stretch you, and it's got to scare you. If it meets those three criteria, that's a quantum leap worth living for. That's a quantum leap worth giving our energy over to. Stretch, excite, scare. Let's do this.
Let's do it together, you guys.
Absolutely.
Collectively, it's time. It is time.
Let's take this journey, and please share with us what you're up to creating in the comments. Share on Lightworker Land. Let us know what you're up to. Let us all hold one another accountable and really cheerlead for one another to step into our greatest version of ourselves, our highest potential.
Hold space for one another, right? See each other in the highest light. That's how we create this next realm that we're living into.
Yes.
It's a beautiful thing.
Beautiful. Thrive Tribe. We're sending it out to you. Lightworker Land, we love you. Here's to living into our highest, grandest, greatest version of ourselves, our highest potential. Sending you all love, light, and aloha.
Have a magical day.
Have a magical day.